Good night, dear mates and tutors. My name is Sandra Carolina Borges, and I am going to show the presentation of the Unit 2, Identify Technology Value, with the tutor Juan Miguel Olavi. This is my synoptic table. The problem selected by the group is lack of information on the market and commercialization channels. The causes of the problem is the lack of market research, processes that can lead to misunderstanding of the information, and use of the distribution channels that are not efficient. The consequences can be not being able to determine the appropriate distribution marketing channels, not being able to set realistic business goals. We do it all at random, and it is difficult to establish an action plan that focuses in the market. There is the two recommendations to face the difficulty defined in the synoptic table. Let's remember that the problem we are facing is the lack of information on the market and commercialization channels. One recommendation that I make is that conduct more in-depth market researching using methods such as focus groups, surveys, in-depth interviews in homes or in stores or in another companies. Use the analytical techniques that helps us evaluate consumer behavior, such as projective techniques, the drawing of a perceptual map, joint analytics, or even ethnographic research. Thank you all, and good night.